Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Charge the phone to at least 60% before starting an update. Keep the phone connected to power while updating to avoid interruptions. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network with strong signal strength. Free at least 2 GB of storage space to allow the package to download. Backup photos and contacts using cloud backup or local storage. Note your current version under Settings about Phone so you can confirm the update applied. Disable battery saver and scheduled power off before proceeding with the update. Go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Check for updates. If Realme releases an OTA, the device will show the update available. Download the OTA package, which is typically 400 MB to 2 GB depending on changes. Keep the phone on Wi-Fi and charging while the package downloads. When download completes, tap Install Now to begin the update process immediately, or choose Schedule to install at a later time, like 2 a.m. when you are idle. The phone will reboot and apply the update automatically once installation begins. Download the official Realme Note 50 ROM file from a trusted source to your PC. Transfer the ROM to internal storage and open Settings, then Software Update, then Local Update to flash it. For advanced users, enable USB debugging and use ADB sideload from a PC to apply the update. If installation fails, reboot into Recovery and wipe cache partition to remove temporary files. Avoid flashed custom ROMs unless you know how to restore with full backups. After success, verify the build number and test core functions like calls and camera.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.